I have to admit, like many of your customers, I'm all about instant gratification with my containers. I tend to jam a ton of plants into my window boxes and upright containers for that wow factor effect. While this looks great early in the season, it can cause problems later on. As plants grow and fill in, so do the roots. Couple that with lots of sun and heat in the summer months, and there isn't much moisture available. And we all know that sometimes plants don't get watered regularly. So here are a few recommendations to share with your customers. First, sometimes less is more. Encourage your customers to resist the urge to stuff their containers when planting in spring. Proven Winners plants are vigorous growers and will quickly fill in for maximum color. Second, try our new Aqua Pots. As the world's first self-watering ceramic containers, they're designed to deliver nutrients and water to plants 24/7. Just fill the water reservoir once or twice a week and let Aqua Pots do the rest. And lastly, if your customers don't have Aqua Pots, we highly recommend our Waterwise Container Watering Kit. This easy-to-use self-contained kit makes it simple to water containers, hanging baskets, window boxes, and the landscape. The drip irrigation system provides consistent moisture and allows your customers to leave for the weekend and not have to worry about what their plants will look like when they arrive back at home.